So now we are going to discuss the question number 9. Okay, yesterday we have finished till 8, question number 8. Now today we are going to start the question number 9A. Okay, so let us start with this question. In this question, what is given? Children, it is given that LMN are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio 2 to 3 to 5. Okay, on April 1st, 2016, their capital accounts were 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh respectively. Their partnership each provided for the following. Interest on capital 9%, interest on drawing 12% per annum, and interest on partners loan at the rate of 12% per annum. Okay. On July 1st, 2016, L brought 1 lakh additional capital and N withdrew 1 lakh from his capital. See, L has brought 1 lakh additional capital and N withdrew 1 lakh from his capital. Okay, during the year, LMN withdraw 12,000, 18,000 and 25,000 respectively for their personal use. On January 1st, 2017, the firm obtained a loan of 1,50,000 from M. The net profit of the firm for the year ended after charging interest on M's loan was 85,000. Okay. So 85,000 is the profit is given. Now what you have to calculate? You have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and you have to prepare partner capital account. Okay. Here you need not to prepare current account, but the capitals are fixed. It is given in your question. Okay. The capitals are fixed it is given in your question. So when the capitals are fixed, what we need to prepare? We need to prepare P&L appropriation, then partners capital account, and then partners current account. Okay, but here only we need to prepare the partners capital account. So let us start with preparing profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so we all know that how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Just start drawing the format, how to draw the format of P&L appropriation. Okay, so first of all, we have to write the profit by profit and loss account, net profit brought down. How much it is given? It is given 85,000. Okay, now 85,000. How much interest on capital? 9% per annum. We have to calculate interest on capital and capitals are 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. So 9% we need to calculate. See children, here as we have done the first or second question, because see if we are calculating interest on L, interest on capital of L, see he is bringing additional capital on 1st of July. See, interest on capital will be calculated till 30th of June of 2 lakh. And then again 1 lakh additional capital will be added with that capital, and then again we will calculate the interest on capital. Okay, so interest on capital, how we will calculate of L? See, this is a rough work. How much capital is given? It is given 2 lakh. Okay, and 2 lakh is for April 1st. So 2 lakh April 1st. So April, May, June. On 1st of July, L is brought 1 lakh additional capital. So 3 months are there, April, May, June. So then whatever we will calculate it for 3 months. Okay. So 9% interest on capital, 9 upon 100, and how many months? 3 months. 3 upon 12. Then how much we'll get? We'll get 4,500. Okay. How much we'll get? We'll get 4,500. 4,500. Okay. Afterward, on 1st July, L brought additional capital. So 2 lakh plus 1 lakh. It will become 3 lakh. Okay. Now we have to calculate it in 3 lakh. 3 lakh, 9%. How many months? From July to 31st March. That will be 9 months. 9 by 12. Okay. Then how much we'll get? We'll get 20,250. So 20,250. That will be added 20,250. Okay. And then how much we'll get? 24,750. 24,750. So interest on capital of L will be 24,750. Okay. Now see about N. What is there? N's capital is 4 lakh. N's capital is 4 lakh. And he is withdrawing from his capital. How much? 1 lakh. Okay. And when he is withdrawing on 1st of July only. Okay. 1st of July only. So, if we talk about interest on capital of N. Okay. So, how much capital is given? The capital is given 4 lakh. So, 4 lakh into 9%. How many months? 3 months. 3 by 12. And after calculating this, we'll get 9,000. Okay, 9,000. See, now on 1st July, N is withdrawing 1 lakh. तो उसकी कैपिटल कम हो गई, तो हम क्या करेंगे? वो 1 लाख 4 लाख में से माइनस कर देंगे. 4 लाख में से 1 लाख विड्रॉ जो किया वो माइनस कर देंगे, तो कितना आ जाएगा? 3 लाख. ओके, हाउ मच विल गेट? 3 लाख. 3 lakh we'll get, and with this 3 lakh what we have to do? With this 3 lakh we have to calculate 9% into how many months? 9 months. Okay, 9 months we'll get. Then how much we'll get? We'll get 20,250. So 9,000 plus 20,000. 20,250. How much? 29,250. 29,250. So L's capital is 24,750. L's capital, and N's capital 29,250. Okay, and M's capital you can take it out directly, because there is no single adjustment for that. Okay, so how much the capital of M will be there? The M's capital is given 3 lakh. Okay, so 3 lakh 9% 27,000. Okay, 3 lakh का जब हम 9% निकालेंगे, then we'll get 27,000. So the interest on capital of M is 27,000. L is 24,750, and N capital interest on capital is 29,250. Okay. So in this way we have to calculate the interest on capital. Okay. Now how we have to write it? to interest on capital. Interest on capital कितना? Because capitals are fixed, so we will write current account, not capital. Else current account, M's current account, and N's current account. Okay. How much we have got for L? L for we have got for 24,750. M's current account, M's capital, we have got 27,000. And N's current account, N's capital interest, we have got 29,250. Okay, 29,250. So total will be 81,000. Okay. Now, the profit is given and see the interest on drawings, whatever the drawings is given. Always remember this thing, if the drawing is given in your question, then we have to calculate the drawing from when the drawing has been made, okay, till the means the duration of the current year. Okay, suppose the drawing has been made on 1st of July, it is mentioned in your question. Then from July to 31st March, the interest will be charged. Okay, but if nothing is mentioned, अगर question में आपकी कुछ भी mention नहीं है drawings की date, तो आप क्या मानेंगे उसको? आप ये मान के चलेंगे कि drawing has been made for an average period of 6 months. Okay, अगर ये चीज, this thing you have to keep in your mind. If the rate of drawing is not given in your question, then, or sorry, the date of drawing is not given in your question, then for average period of time, you have to calculate the drawing. And if date is mentioned in your question, then you have to calculate the drawings from that date. Okay, since in this question, the drawings date is not mentioned. So we will assume that this drawing has been made for the average period of 6 months. Okay, so what the drawings are given? They are given is 12%, 12,000, 18,000 and 24,000. And 12% drawing we have to make. So 12% we have to calculate on 12%, 12,000, 18,000 and 24,000. Okay, someone quickly calculate the drawings and tell me. See how drawings will be calculated. By interest on drawing. L's current, M's current account, N's current account. Okay. Now see how much drawing is given in the question. In L's drawing is given 12,000. Okay, 12,000, 18,000 and 24,000. L. So 12,000 into 12% upon 100 into 6 by 12. Then M 18,000 into 12 by 100, 6 by 12. Okay, and 18,000, 24,000 is given. So 24,000 into 12 upon 100 into 6 by 12. Okay, now in this way you have to calculate the interest on drawing. Then you will get 720 for L. Okay, 1,080 for B, for M, and N's current account will have 1,440. Okay. Again, I'm telling you, if the date of drawing is not mentioned in your question, then you have to calculate the drawing for an average period of time, that is 6 months. And if it is given in your question, then it will be calculated as per the date is given. Okay. Now anything is not given in the question, so we have to take out a balance. And then we move to the next account, that is partners capital account. So take out the balance, then we'll get the total balance of credit side. That will be 3,240 we'll get, and the total will be 88,240. 88,240. Okay. And then we will have the deduction. The interest on capital will be deducted, and then we will get 7,240. Okay, 7,240 will be distributed among the LMN. In which ratio? The ratio is given in your question, that is 2:3:5. Okay, 2:3:5 means 2/10, 3/10, and 5/10. Okay, then we'll get 2. Else current account will be 1,448. That is 2/10. And then 2,172. And for N's current account, 3,620. 7,240. Okay. So in this way, we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account of this question. Okay. Come on, do it, students. Thank you. So students, and the continuation of the previous question, that is question number 9A. Okay. We have prepared profit and loss appropriation account, and now we are going to prepare the partners current account. Sorry, partners capital account, because here we need not to prepare current account. It is not being asked in the question. Okay. So now we have to prepare partners capital account. So draw the format of partners capital account. Particular, L, M, and N. Okay. Then again particular, L, M, and N. Okay. So now, what we have to do? Here, partners capital may, when the capitals are fixed, first what we have to do? We have to write the opening balance of capital. Where? In the credit side of capital account. So opening balance are 2 lakh, 3 lakh, and 4 lakh. So by balance brought down 4 lakh, 3 lakh, and 2 lakh. Okay. Now see children, that I think capital is 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. Sorry, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, and 4 lakh. Yes. Now, afterward, it is said in the question that 1 lakh additional capital is being brought by L. So L has brought an additional capital, and when the capitals are fixed, we have to write three things in the partner's capital. Remember, first, credit side, we have to write the opening balance of capital that we have written. Then we have to show in the credit side any additional capital. Okay, so L is bringing the additional capital that we have to show here. Okay, so by bank account, here we will write by bank. And who is bringing? L is bringing the additional capital. How much? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh will be written in the L's account. Okay. It will be written in the L's account. Now, next, if any drawing is made by the partner, out of capital. So here you can see that N is withdrawing 1 lakh from his capital. है ऐसा? N is withdrawing 1 lakh from his capital. So here it will be shown in the capital account. So it will be debited to bank account N 1 lakh. Okay. And not any further thing we have to do in the partner's capital account. So what we have to do? We have to take out the balance. So the balance of L's capital will be 3 lakh. The M's capital will be 3 lakh. And the total of N is 4 lakh. Okay, now we have to take out the balance. So here nothing is there, so it will be transferred. So L's balance will be to balance CD 3 lakh. Here 3 lakh is there, in M 3 lakh. And M's balance will be from 4 lakh, we will deduct 1 lakh, that will be 3 lakh. Okay, so in this way, this is the closing capital of L, M, and N. Okay, so in this way we have to prepare the partner's capital account. Come on, do quickly, everyone. Thank you. So students, after completing the question number 9A, now we are going to discuss the question number 9B. It's a little bit different question. So let us start. This question says that A and B are partners in a firm. Their capital as on 1st April 2016 were 2,10,000 and 90,000. See, 2,10,000 and 90,000 is given. They share profit in the ratio 2:1. On 1st of August 2016, they decided that their capital should be readjusted. Please listen to this carefully. On 1st August, they decided that their capitals should be readjusted according to their profit sharing ratio. The necessary adjustment in the capital were made by withdrawing or introducing cash. Interest on capital is allowed 12%. Compute interest on capital for the year ending 31st March. See, first of all, capital is given. First of all, सब लोग आप लोग क्या करेंगे? सब लोग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल सबसे पहले निकालेंगे. सिंपल थिंग्स. कैसे? सबसे पहले जो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट दिया, सिंपल आपकी कैपिटल दी हुई है, ओपनिंग कैपिटल, सबसे पहले उस पे इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल निकालेंगे. उसके बाद देखिए आपकी जो कैपिटल है वो रीएडजस्ट कब हो रही है? रीएडजस्ट हो रही है फ्रॉम 1st of August. Okay, so 1st of August capital is we have to readjust. Okay, from 1st of August we have to readjust the capital. So till 31st July, till 31st of July, from 1st April to 31st July, we need to calculate the interest on capital. ओके तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अभी पहले इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल निकालेंगे, या फिर सबसे पहले हम आपको बताते हैं आप एडजस्टेड कैपिटल निकाल लो। सबसे पहले एडजस्टेड कैपिटल निकालने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, जैसे आपकी इंटरेस्ट आपकी एडजस्टेड आपकी ओपनिंग कैपिटल दी हुई है, कैपिटल से कैपिटल ऑफ ए बी है, A and B. A and B's capital is given how much? 2,10,000 plus 90,000. Okay. So 2,10,000 plus 90,000. ठीक है। प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो कितना दिया हुआ है आपके क्वेश्चन में? 2:1. प्लीज लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. It's the capital of A. It is the capital of B. Okay. And the ratio of profit sharing, it is given of A and B, that is 2:3, I think. Yes, 2:1. The ratio is given 2:1. Okay. Now what we have to do? 2:1. ओके अब हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहा है कि इस रेशियो के अकॉर्डिंग जो है वो कैपिटल को क्या करना है, एडजस्ट करना है। तो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू टेक आउट द टोटल कैपिटल। तो टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ ए एंड बी, तो द टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ ए एंड बी विल बी 3 lakh, 2,10,000 plus 90,000, that will be 3 lakh. Okay, this will be total capital. Okay, now we have to adjust it in which ratio? 2:1. That means 2/3 and 1/3. Okay, so 3 lakh 2/3 and 3 lakhs 1/3. How much it will come? Will come 2 lakh and 1 lakh, right? ठीक है, कैसे आया? 3 1 is 3 and 1 lakh into 2, 2 lakh. Here 3 1 is 3, 1 lakh and 1 lakh into 1, 1 lakh. Okay, so this will be the capital of A and this will be the capital of B from 1st of August. This much is clear? Till 31st July, the capital will be 2,10,000 and 90,000. Okay, for A and B. Okay, after 31st July, from 1st of August, the capital of A and B will be 2 lakh and 1 lakh. So when we will calculate the interest on capital till 31st July, we have to calculate interest on capital on this amount, 2,10,000, 90,000, and from 1st of August till 31st March, we have to calculate interest on capital from 2 lakh and 1 lakh. Okay, hopefully this much is clear, children. So this was as per the rough work, children. Now you here in this question, nothing is formally with format we have to do. We have to calculate the total capital and we have to calculate the interest on capital of A and B. That's it. Nothing we have to do. So okay, do it formally how we have to do. Now I'm going to tell you how in copy how you will write it. Okay. So do with me, everyone. Total capital of the firm will be the capital of A and B. Total capital of A and B will be 2,10,000 plus 90,000. Okay, that will be 3 lakh. Okay, now therefore is adjusted capital will be 3 lakh to 2 by 3. And then we'll get 2 lakh. Okay. Then B's adjusted capital, three lakh into 1 by 3. That will be 1 lakh. Okay. Now we have to calculate the interest on capital. Okay. One thing you have to see this also, that on 1st of August, A will withdraw 10,000, whereas B will bring in cash amounting to 10,000. Okay. So this you have to see while calculating the interest on capital. Okay. So interest on capital of A and B. First of all, from 1st of April till 31st of July, when the additional capital was not being calculated, then additional capital was not introduced, then 2,10,000 into how much percentage is given? The percentage is given 12%. Okay, the percentage given is 12%. So 12%, how much months? How many months? Sorry, 4 months. Okay, 4 months. April, May, June, July, 4 months. So 4 months we will calculate, then we'll get 8,400. Okay. Same as we have to calculate it for B also, for 90,000. 12 by 100 into 4 by 12. And then we'll get how much? 3,600. So 3,600. Okay. So this is from 1st of April till 31st of July. Now we have to calculate from 1st of August till 31st March. How much? The capital is 2 lakh. 12%. How many months? 8 months. And 1 lakh. 12%. 4 months. Okay. Sorry. Yes. For 8 months. Now we have to calculate. Then we'll get for A 16,000 and 8,000. Okay. So A's interest on capital will be 24,400 and B's interest on capital will be 11,600. Okay, children? See this. Thank you.